Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Rugged Media channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something very simple, how to transfer text that is on a picture to soft copy, like to something like Word. So let's get into it. So what you need to do first is to go to a web browser and type in this URL you see here, www.image2text.info/jpg to Word. So I'm going to put the link in the description. So just press enter. So the site is loaded already. So what you're going to do now is this. Now it's for free, so just ignore this premium $3.9 something. So go to your image. Let's minimize this one. Then take this image and drag it into this box you see here. And then you click just beneath it here, you click submit. And then you wait a bit. It loads and loads and loads and loads and loads and loads and loads.
A few moments later.
So depending on how bulky the text is, that will determine how fast it will load. So what you just need to do is you can either select all or just come to this side here and click on copy. Here you also have download, but I'll just click on copy since I want it on my clipboard, and I'll take it to Word. So click on copy here. And then you just go to Microsoft Word or whatever word processing app you have, then Control V or right click and then paste. So there you go. So what you just need to do next is just to put the text in the image side by side and look at it and just edit as necessary or as required. And that's all. So if you're a graphic designer, especially, you have a book, you want to replicate it and there's a lot of text on it, like this one on my right here. That is a method you can use on PC. So there's a short I've uploaded that I uploaded first about how to do it on phone if you need to take text from picture to soft copy or into a chat or into a software, Word software, something like that. I have a YouTube short on that, so you can check it out. So do like and subscribe. Thank you very much.